Here is another beautiful example of how sustaining the commons can work, but not always. This is about the lobsters from Maine. Maine is very famous for its lobsters, and there are stories that at some point in the 19th century and early 20th century, prisoners used to be fed lobsters because there were so many of them. But now lobster is, high-end food, seafood. Nonetheless, they are caught by setting traps at the bottom of the ocean floor, and in each little place that has lobstermen, they form so-called harbor gang. They used to form, and these gangs used to set rules for themselves on how each person could get a location to set the traps, and they were not allowed to catch the lobsters at the wrong time. For example, if they have a V-shaped tail, then that means they are breeding, so they shouldn't be caught at that time, and then they shouldn't be caught when they are too young, and so on. And if somebody damages someone else's trap, they would be punished, and outsiders were not allowed to seek permissions, and so on. And the data shows that the production of lobsters went up continuously since the early 1900s. Of course, the number of permits and number of lobstermen also has gone up, and it's not just absolute total growth in lobster numbers, but nonetheless, when you normalize with respect to the number of traps and number of permits given, then the trend is obviously not there, or very little. We don't know all the details about the impacts of global warming, deoxygenation, acidification, and so on yet. But in the meantime, it turned out that the harbor gangs were not completely succeeding in managing the system. So a elected council has been put in place now, but around the council, the informal harbor gangs still work, and that gives them a larger scale in terms of monitoring the lobster catches, not just at one location, but at multiple locations. Obviously, diseases, signals, climate anomalies, etc., can travel from far into a lobster region, and one has to keep those in mind, especially with warming. If diseases are spreading, somebody has to track them. So just focusing on one location is not going to give them the full picture. So these are important developments, but it tells you how systems evolve over time to manage wildlife in this case.